Welcome back to the 6th installment tutorial video for map assignment number 4. As we had just were discussing, alignment to the center of the venue, that is sub-main alignment here at 80 Hertz to the center of the Gracie, isn't necessarily the best thing for the audience. It makes it quite hot in the middle, but variance is pretty extreme around the venue. So is there a strategy that would perhaps make it better? Sure, you could try alignment in a lot of places, and if this were your venue for real, you probably want to try multiple locations until you found an ideal. Now, one thought is you do it to the sides, and so we put in this orchestra left mic in earlier, and if we align the mains and the subs to be hottest here, to be at equal level there, what we will find is that it symmetrically will create a lobe over here, and potentially this will make a better coverage pattern. So that's what we're going to attempt. Before we do that, we're going to need to do a few things here, a few house cleaning moments. We're going to need to reset all gains and delay settings and mute one side of the PA. So at this point, make sure you're working on a new file because you're going to submit 2 MAPP files. Let's go to our loudspeaker processor and let's clear these out. I'm going to just save a copy of this, make sure I'm ready in case I have an issue with my video. I just called it File X. And I'm going to go through, I'm going to clear out my delays and I'm going to clear out my gains for all these channels. And so everything is just reset and ready to go. So you're going to want to do this. Of course, you'll be probably changing different delay times and different gain settings than me, but you need to go through the same process. And oops, too many tabs there. 1, 2, tab 0, 1, 2, tab. Okay, we're good. And the subs are left alone. We're only going to need to work with the left side of the PA. Since we're aligning on the left side of the venue only, we can turn off the right PA. And of course, our left side is only that guy. And let me see, follow the instructions very carefully. We're going to go back to the measurement view. And this time is important. Make sure you're on the orchestra left mic. You're not on the orchestra center. That can be a pretty major difference, so make sure you get that correct. Okay, we are moving on, and we're going to set the mains and subs for equal level. A couple things we need to do to make that happen. First, we need to hide any traces from our earlier alignments. We've got this subs at center mic that needs to be hidden. Other thing we want to do is turn off the subs because we're going to listen to the mains only and check out the mains level. So we got the mains, the left mains only working. So we'll go to measurement view. It's automatically going to do a prediction for us. And let's zoom in, check it out. Check out the lows, target our crossover frequency of 80 Hertz. And we see in orange that the mains, these mains, not your mains, these mains are 104 dB SPL. You're going to get a different level with your melodies, but 104 dB SPL. Now let's check out the subs. We go over the subs, see how they compare. Both subs on. It should do a prediction for us. Again, target our crossover frequency. And we see 105.6. And I believe I just saw 104, right? So this is 105.6. So the subs are a whopping 1.5 dB louder. That's not very much, but that's not a big deal. We can easily change that down. Let's turn the subs down 1.5 dB. Sorry, negative 1.5 dB, and do that on both of its channels. And we'll go back, predict it, and confirm that. And down in our crossover frequency, 104. And we will turn the subs off and double check the mains. Hopefully we're going to get 104. And right around our crossover frequency, we got 104. So they are at equal level. We have done our job. That is fantastic. So the next step is to save some traces of our mains and subs. So we're on the mains right now. Let's set the system delay, the propagation delay, so we can line up the transient right in the 0 for the mains. And you can see the phase trace is totally insane right now. So this should take care of that. Boom, that makes a lot more sense to my eyes. And we'll store this, and this is going to be our mains at left mic. And now we'll do the subs. So going over here and mute the mains, left mains, turn on the subs only. Should do a prediction for us. And we'll store the subs. subs at left mic. We should be pretty good. Let's check our instructions out. Make sure we got everything we were supposed to do. Equal level, reduced. Yep, but look, got the same value. Take traces. We just did that. And we're ready to do some analysis and time alignment. Let's do that on another video.